Have you been constantly striving for perfectionism? You're never quite satisfied with the outcome, you always keep revisiting them. And sometimes you get hard on yourself. If this is something which feels familiar to you, then chances are you are a perfectionist. Hi, my name is Mitlesh, and in this video, we are going to go through 3 signs which can prove that you are a perfectionist without you knowing about it. So, number one sign, you find it hard to trust others and delegate your responsibilities to others. You might feel that others probably can't do it the way you want it. So you always try to do things on your own, whether in your business, in your life, you want to do it your way. And you find it hard to delegate responsibilities to others. Then that could be the sign that you are a perfectionist. Number two sign is that you always want to do things perfectly. It sounds obvious, but you're always trying to do things the way you want it, the way you see it as being perfect. And you are always revising it. You're never satisfied with the outcome or your achievements in any aspect of your life. And chances are you are a perfectionist. And number three sign is sometimes you get hard on yourself because sometimes maybe you feel guilty about not getting it right the way you wanted, or maybe you feel guilty about if you're missing out on time. So these sign indicates that you have a perfectionist in your within you, and it is a time to let go. Now we are going to discuss about 3 things you can do to let go of that perfectionism, because being a perfectionist is great, that you really want to follow it to the detail of T, that you want to make it right. But then the consequences of that is sometimes you get hard on yourself, you get into too much of detail sometimes, which is not needed. So what you can do about it, in this video we are going to discuss that. So number one, and the most important thing, is you need to learn to trust others. Delegate what you can do. There are certain skills which is your strength, whereas you can always hire someone who can do certain tasks better than you. I was there at that place when I started this organization. I was doing everything on my own, the graphics, any thumbnails, social media, graphic post, course images, everything, graphics. Then I was writing content. Then I was creating video content. Then I was editing it. So the entire production process of the entire video editing, and it takes a lot of time. It causes a lot of procrastination as well. So I was there, and I know where are you at this moment. If you are trying to do everything on your own and not trying to delegate it, not trying to trust others, this actually hinders with your productivity. It actually hinders with the outcome you're looking for. Because when I started hiring and I hired someone for video editing, I realized that the quality of video editing was totally different. So number one thing is you need to learn to trust others. You need to hire competent individuals who can help you. In your personal life, learn to delegate the responsibilities with your partner, with your children, and they actually enjoy it. If you are a guy or a woman, it doesn't matter. If you are like this right now, trying to do everything on your own, the major consequences is there would be a time when you feel burnt out because you are not giving that space to yourself. You're not giving that care to yourself. So learn to delegate, learn to trust others in your personal life, in your professional life. And these two things are no different. Number two is try to build some self-compassion, self-care. Because at the end of the day, it's your life, and you need to learn how to give yourself that care. Whether it's your work, the energy in your personal life, or the creativity, everything comes down to your own self-care. So make sure you allow that space. Be okay with it. If you are, so make sure you allow that self care for yourself, self compassion for yourself. Things are not the way you wanted it to be, but then don't get hard on yourself. And third and most important thing is, and the reason many people they keep on revising, keep on doing things, is actually a fear of failure. That what if it does not turn out the way I wanted it? This inner fear of failure does not allow you to finish your task, and it's always going in loop, going in cycles. Allow yourself to do mistakes. There is no failure. It's a feedback. It's just one way of doing things. So allow yourself to go through that journey, allow yourself to do mistakes and be okay with it. Coming back to your self compassion. And then you will see a major shift in you. Your work would progress faster and you would achieve greater results. I wish you all the best and I would like you to implement these things. Also, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode. It can help many people out there, many perfectionists sitting out there. So I hope you do that. And I would like to see you in my community. So there is a community link down there. Please do join it. It would be great to connect with you. So I'll see you there. And I wish you all the best. Have a happy week ahead. Bye for now.